Hi guys, Margarita from Socialin here, and today I want to continue talking about Facebook posting. So last week we talked about scheduling, and today I want to talk to you about options that we have while we want to publish our posts. So let's see.
Post creation always starts on your page. If you're an admin of a page, you have all of those options. Some of those options help us with our creative. We can post a picture, video, we can add some emojis to our post. Some of those options help us with our creative. Some of those options help us with getting in touch with us. Today we're going to check all frequently used options and see what we have. Right here we have photo and video option. I think it's the option that everybody uses, like the first one. Right here we can upload a picture or a video and maybe a few videos. Underneath it we can create an album. The difference between album and just uploading a few random photos is when you create an album, you will have only one cover picture that will take all the space on your post, and when you create a post with several photos, they will take equal amount of space on that post. A carousel creation is for few photos that you can move left and right, and you can add a website link to each photo. You can add different website link. Create a slideshow. You can create sort of video from few of your pictures, from 3 to 10 photos actually, right here, right on your page, right where you create posts. And another option is create a canvas. Canvas is sort of mini website where you can add your image, videos, and maybe add a few buttons with your website link and let your customers to engage with it. Check-in option. This option is for you to tag any business place, any other physical place, or maybe even any page you've been visiting. You don't have to be there right now while you post. You can actually check in later, but when you choose this option, you will get already some options from Facebook, or you can choose whatever you want by yourself. Let's say McDonald's in Cairo. So basically what it does, it tags this business into my post, which allows that business to see it and maybe to share it with its followers. So the reason you can use it is just to get a little bit more engagement on your posts. And another great option I want to show you today, guys, and my favorite one, is get messages. Simply what it does, it lets you to get messages right on your posts. It means when you shared your post or someone else shared your post and one of your potential customers saw it, he doesn't need to search for you specifically on Facebook. He can just click here on send message button and send you a direct message right away. That helps out a lot.
Thank you for watching. I hope you like it, so just click like if you did. If you have any more requests about more options for posting, you can leave your comments below and I will get to them in my next video. And if you have any more urgent questions, you can always reach me. Just send me a private message on my page, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!